John is considering buying a property instead of renting. Having rented now for over 15 years, he realises this is wasted money, since all he is doing is paying off his landlord's mortgage, not his own. Over this period, starting at $400 per week with inflation, he would have paid $342,000 in rent. That is dead money over this period. So, an option John is looking at is buying a property to live in. Firstly, John needs to save up part of a deposit, and from there, he can use various first home buyer grants available from local state governments to supplement the remaining balance. How this works depends on which state you live in. Generally, if you're buying a property in Sydney, you receive $10,000, or in Brisbane, you receive $15,000 as a first home buyer grant from the government. If the property is being developed by Quantum, we also match these grants with a bonus $10,000 in New South Wales and $15,000 in Queensland. In addition to this, you will also get stamp duty concessions, which, depending on the value of the property and the state you live in, can add up to many thousands of dollars in extra benefits. Contact Quantum Consultants and they'll do the calculations for you. So, John, what are the options you have got? So instead of renting again for another 15 years, let's look at buying a property. In this case, John has decided on a one-bedroom apartment at Linton, Brisbane. The price point he is buying at is $374,000, so all John needs is an initial $5,000 deposit, then pay an additional $2,400 over the next 2 to 3 months. In John's case, the 10% deposit, less the state government grant and the Quantum bonus, is nearly enough to buy the property. John needs to save an extra $2,400 plus any loan fees prior to settlement. John already has $14,000 saved up and he has spoken with Quantum, so he is well on his way to buying his first property. So John has now secured his future with his first property. The repayments over the next 15 years, including costs and outgoings on the property, would average at $1,900 per month. This includes repayments of the loan. And over 15 years, the loan falls from $330,000 to just over $224,000. The value of the property with capital growth, say at 4%, will increase from $374,000 to $673,000 over 15 years. The property increases and the reduction in loan provide real equity to John of $453,000. Call Quantum today on 1300 360 949 or visit www.quantumgroup.com.au. We make your money work harder for you.